Tamim Iqbal, brother, please come back to international team. This is my first speak. Second speak, I want to request you must be come back to international team because you are good player. My country look like for people. So if you not play, we are Bangladeshi. Everyone sad. You are cry, so Bangladeshi everyone cry today. So today no anyone good about you. So please, if you happy, we are everyone happy. So you are sad, we are still sad. Just you say you are not play, you come back to home. But we have heard on the way why Tamim Iqbal brother not play, what happened to he have, and why next that kind player coming for international team. Why are find it? So please, I want to request you come back to international team. Maybe Bangladeshi, everyone citizen happy to